tomorrow actually is Karwa Chauth. Chicken chili momos, normal chicken steamed momos, tandoori momos. Like imagine eating rasgullas at 5:45 in the morning. The artist. Ulta. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm shooting another vlog. So today actually is the 3rd of November and tomorrow actually is Karwa Chauth. I don't know why Karwa Chauth is one tradition that I really enjoy following. So I just do it for the thrill of it. Plus बैठे बैठे custom भी follow हो रहा है तो why not. So I'm already in my PJs and the time is 8:24 and I need to prep for tomorrow's sargi because I don't think I'll be able to do anything in the morning. So it's better to do it the previous night. So that's what I'm going to do. And actually I'm not done with my office work yet, but I'm planning to first prepare for sargi, and I already have a lot of things from my mom's place, so that way I'm sorted, but just do the bare minimum and then get back to work. So that's what I'm going to do now. So let me show you what all I've prepared for sargi. So first and foremost, I love eating sabudana khichdi for sargi. I don't know, it just keeps me full. थोड़ा सा चिपचिपी बनी है because of excessive water, but that's fine. Pomegranate, most important, it retains water in your body. And also one aloo paratha, which is like semi-cooked. Cook it properly tomorrow morning. Then we have the usual tikkis and some dahi. And the most important ingredient for me that I use, like I have eaten each Karwa Chauth. By the way, it is my third, is rasgullas. I love eating this in the morning, and this actually, I don't know, somehow helps, I feel. So my mom has sent me this as well. So I think I'm set. Now I'm just going to finish my office work and then probably sleep early. So had it not been the COVID situation, I would actually have been at my mom's place now. Mehndi laga rahe hote the, but yeah, COVID happened and it sucks big time. It's sad. And actually I do not enjoy applying mehndi. I just enjoy the process of being with everyone and doing it. But yeah, I do have a mehndi cone. Mandeep had seen it somewhere and he got one, and my mom has asked me to apply 2 dots. I think I'm just going to do it and then eat some dinner. So actually I'm mad excited for dinner because Mandeep had gone down for a haircut and he's here and he's got chicken momos. Guys, it's dinner time. Chicken chili momos, normal chicken steamed momos, tandoori momos, 2 types of spicy chutney. Someone was mentioning that you shouldn't be eating itna heavy one night before Karwa Chauth. And I just feel that itna logic and science goes out of the window jab bhook lagti hai. So I mean, I just follow the basics, yaar. Have enough water one night before Karwa Chauth. Have fruits that can retain water in your body, and then I think theek hai. Like, rest is upon your willpower. Hua to hua, nahi hua to nahi hua. Let's see. We'll wing it. So guys, I'm almost done with my work and it's time to sleep. Let me shut my laptop. So actually, each Karwa Chauth, not like मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा experience है, just my third, but like each Karwa Chauth, okay, one night before the Karwa Chauth, I just cannot sleep. I get these mad level of jitters that I'll miss my alarm, I won't get up in the morning, I won't get up to eat before the sun comes out, and I just get these jitters and I'm just like, why? First of all, I've never missed an alarm in my life, and even if I miss it, I mean, what's the big deal? It's not like it's a life or death situation, but I just get them and it's so weird. But this time I'm trying to keep myself calm. Like, मैंने alarm नहीं सुना, मनदीप सुनेगा, उसने भी नहीं सुना तो someone from my family will call me. But yeah, anyway, now I think I need to sleep and get ready for the big day tomorrow. I mean, the day is going to be tough, but just the entire thrill of eating before the sun comes out, I don't know. I just find it very thrilling and exciting. Like, imagine eating rasgullas at 5:45 in the morning. Up for it. I mean, I'm just looking at the brighter part of the day. The rest of the day could be tough, but I mean, let's see how it goes. Good morning, everyone. Happy Karwa Chauth. Happy belated Karwa Chauth whenever y'all are seeing this. It's 5:50 right now, and true to my nature, I did not sleep well last night. But anyway, now we need to start eating. So let's get going. Guys, the early morning feast is ready, and my Karwa Chauth partner, a sleepy one. How excited are you?
Very excited.
Liar.
Can't wait to try out lunch at 6 a.m.
Let's eat.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I have a very renowned mehndi artist with me here.
दीदी कितने वाला लगाऊं? Okay.
Let's see. Whoa! Okay. That's a pretty big heart.
Yes, you have a big heart.
What is happening?
I saw this is a very big as a design, like as a move,
Oh, whoa.
keeping a couple of dots here and there. You want me to try some rando stuff as well?
Whatever you
some
want.
designer stuff as well. Yeah?
The artist. Ulta Mehndi. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Good morning, guys. More like afternoon. Actually, it's already 2ish, and I just got ready, and I'm feeling so bad. But yeah. So what I generally do is that I get up, like generally on Karwa Chauth, is that I get up, I eat my food, and then I do some work, read the newspaper, and then I sleep. So I slept for I think a good 2 to 3 hours because दोपहर को I feel थोड़ा time pass हो जाता है यार. You have to do the puja, you have to get ready for the puja, you need to gather your puja samagri. So time pass हो जाता है. But mornings में like अगर if you're working then it's fine. But I took the day off, so I thought that कुछ और करने से अच्छा I'll just sleep so that at least time pass हो जाएगा. So that's what I did. Baki it's going good till now, just that it's extremely hot in Mumbai, which is why you feel thoda sa thirsty. But yeah, now let's get ready for the puja. So actually each year I celebrate Karwa Chauth with like my mom, chachis and everyone. So we go to this common temple which is just below my mom's building, and my chachis also come there, and then there's this entire society ka circle and everyone does the puja together. But this year because of COVID, nothing of that sort is happening. So सब अपने अपने घर पे कर रहे हैं, which sucks यार. Alone करने में I don't know what is the fun. But I'm still thinking that I'll at least do the entire dressing up part because I think Karwa Chauth में वो एक होता है यार, just that getting ready, and also I think I'm gonna do that. Plus I have some company because my neighbor is going to come for the puja. This is her first Karwa Chauth, so I'm pretty excited for her as well. So yeah, let's get ready now. I need to make a aate ka diya. So I'm not even sure if I have atta, but let me check and let's get this done with. I found my puja ki thali. Let me just show it to you. Guys, I found my puja ki thali from last year. Wow, this is pretty exciting. I didn't even remember I had all this. The lota. Wow, I have everything. I am pretty set. Guys, I did find some atta and I'm making the diya now. Though I'm not sure if this is going to hold. This is looking more like a ball, like a fata hua ball. By the way, do your husbands also fast with y'all? Because Mandeep does. I think he uska third day like with me. But this year I've asked him to have water because he's working whole day. I've taken the day off, but he hasn't. So I've asked him to have water. I hope he's having it. I think this is ready yaar. This should work. इसमें थोड़ा घी डाल देती हूँ and I think yeah, it's pretty okay. So I'm ready for the puja. And guys, I'm ready too. My Sindoor and Mangal Sutra have made the annual appearance. I'm gonna ask Mandeep to show you all the complete look. Guys, now is one of my most peaceful and favorite times of the day is when after this puja I sit and enjoy one whole glass of either water or juice or some other drink. So from my first Karwa Chauth, my dadi had asked me to drink something after the puja, and like it's subjective, but everyone in our family has something after the puja, like either a glass of water, cold coffee, chai, juice, जो भी, but सब लोग इस पूजा के बाद in my family कुछ ना कुछ पी. So I've just made myself an entire glass of aam panna. I made one for Mandeep also. So now I'm just going to sit here and enjoy this glass of aam panna. So guys, it's 7 and I just checked that the moon is not going to come out before 9:15. How are you feeling?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I just checked on Twitter.
I thought it was 8:30.
No, it's 9 o'clock. So I think, but we're going to order some food now. Actually, each year we have a tradition of going to Yaucha for Karwa Chauth dinner. But thanks to COVID, it's not happening. So I think, are we ordering from Yaucha?
Yeah, obviously.
But we are also craving butter chicken. So I think we're going to order some sushi from Yaucha and some butter chicken.
Butter chicken and naan. My favorite, yes.
So let's order some food. But if it comes before 9, like much before 9, so then the aroma is going to bother you more. Anyway, we'll see. So let's order some food, okay?
The thought of ordering is also already bothering me. So I'm not sure the aroma will bother me. But
Let's
yeah.
see. Let's see. It's already 9 and the moon is nowhere to be found. And my energy is totally gone. I am dying to eat food now. So I am again ready in the same afternoon clothes. I think we're just going to head down because I think there's a better chance of seeing the moon niche se than from our house. So we're going to go down now.
2,000 years later.
Time to eat. That's some crispy prawn chung fang, some butter chicken, naan. Well deserved. Let's do this. Hi guys, so actually after eating dinner that night I had just crashed because I had a severe headache and I couldn't end the vlog, so that's why I'm doing it today, and that's why the change in hair color. So I'm just going to end the Karwa Chauth vlog here. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.